Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something different for you guys. First of all, we're in the salon. I'm back. Things are mostly back to normal. And this video is in collaboration with my dear friend Cheyenne at LiquidChromeNails. So if you haven't checked her channel out, I will have all of her socials linked down below. She does have a YouTube channel. She does mostly like nail art videos, vlogs, a lot of nail related stuff. Great content, and she posts a ton of beautiful photos on Instagram of all of her nail art that she does in the salon. So Cheyenne and I have been friends for years. We bonded over our careers in the beauty industry and we've become, you know, just lifelong friends. So we thought it would be really fun to do a collab video. So last year, sometime in the past, I did a makeup swap video. So I actually swapped makeup with one of my subscribers. She sent me a parcel, I sent her a parcel. It was so fun. And we thought that it would be a great idea to do a nail tech swap. I'm not sure if this is something that's ever been done before, but we thought it would be a really fun idea. So rude, there's sirens going by. So we thought it would be really fun. So what we did was I spent $50 on some of my favorite nail art items, and then she was going to spend $50 on some of her nail and nail art related items, and then we swapped. So our friend Nancy, who also does nails, got us these shirts to wear for our videos. So mine says Gel Nail Queen, and Cheyenne's got one to wear also in her videos, so you'll have to go check that out on her channel. So thank you, Nancy, for the shirt. So we thought that was like such a fun touch to this whole process. So I've got a bag here of things. I haven't looked in it. She actually has like a piece of paper on the top. So I just left that there because I was so tempted. This couldn't have come at a better time. I've been off work for the last couple of months, so coming back, of course, I'm not splurging on any new, you know, nail art things or colors or anything like that. So this is coming at the perfect time where I'd love to have some new things to play with, but I just can't afford to bring anything new in. So longest intro ever aside, let's dive into the bag. I have no idea what's in here. I'm super excited. I don't know where to start. Okay, so I'm hoping I'm gonna know what everything is. If I'm wrong about anything, I'm gonna count on Cheyenne to comment below and let us know what the deal is, okay? So, the first thing I see is this little stand. I have seen her use this on her channel. Freaking genius. Somewhere to set your brush. You know what I do? I do that. It tastes terrible. It's not sanitary. And I'm always trying to talk with a brush in my mouth. So this is awesome. So excited about that. Keep it up out of the dusty table. I'm going to put it right there on my little station. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, this I recognize right away. This is Cheyenne's favorite glitter. So this is the, I think it's called the mermaid glitter. It doesn't say on it, but I'm pretty sure she calls it the mermaid glitter or possibly the unicorn glitter. So this is it. It's like a white, it is not picking up on camera at all, but it's like a white, almost iridescent glitter. Love something like that. I have a couple little things like that over here, but I think this is more of a white where some of those have a little bit of a pink shift to them. So can never have too much glitter in our lives. Speaking of which, so this says New Flow Nail Decorations, and it looks like a black glitter. Oh yeah, it is. Can I show you without making a mess? Yes, I can. Look how pretty. So we've got a black and a white. We've got all our bases covered. This is so fun. This is one of those things where I don't even care if it's fun for you guys to watch because I'm having just a ball. There's a very small box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, hold on. It's a little dish. So it's probably meant to be like a dappen dish, which is something that you use with acrylics. Now I do gel nails, but I use a lot of little dappen dishes actually to mix like glitters in, and I love that this has a little lid. That is just the cutest little thing. I could put some little gems in there to work off of rather than just putting them on my dusty towel. That's so cute. Look how tiny. It's like the fun thing about nails is everything is so small. It's like little Barbie-sized things. Okay, what else? What else? Ooh, a new dotting tool. Ooh, it's got the silicone bit on the bottom. So this is a dotting tool for making like lines and dots. And then on the other end, this is a really interesting shape. So this is a silicone tool. I don't know if that's focusing. Yes, it is. But it's a really interesting shape. So you can use that to like clean up around the cuticle. You can use it to like clean up your nail art designs because it's kind of soft. That's exciting. I've actually only ever seen the ones that are almost like a doe foot shape. So I think that's gonna work so much better because it's got a nice point on it. What else? Ooh, gems. So these are some Swarovski gems. They are just like the clear, I don't know if you guys can, if that's gonna pick up on camera, but they're just the little teensy tiny, good for everybody, goes with every color kind of gems. So pretty. Oh, look how cute these are. Everything's so tiny, it's so fun. There's like little scissors in here and it looks like a board. I'm so easily entertained. Can you tell I'm on my break? These are great because I have giant like sewing scissors essentially that I use to cut like my wax strips and stuff like that. And I'm always going over there in that direction that I'm pointing. I have some eyebrow trimming scissors that I use when I'm doing brows, obviously. So when I'm doing anything with foil and you have to cut a piece off, I'm always like running around looking for scissors. So these ones are gonna stay right at my nail station. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I see more glitter. Wow, these are some hefty bags of glitter. Look at those babies. Oh my gosh. So we've got like a royal blue. That is a mountain of glitter. I love that. And then we've got like a magenta color. Ooh, it goes with my shirt. Those are so fun. Wow, we can just pour glitter all over ourselves now. We've got oodles, oodles. Oh my gosh, it's like, what's the next thing I want to pull out? Oh, I think these are the forms that she's like obsessed with. I think these are the ones that she really likes. LiquidChromeNails, comment below if you're trying to tell me to get into forms. I still am like so old school and I do tips, but I would like to get into doing forms, especially for like certain clients, people like me that have really curved, like arched nails. Sometimes it would be nice to be able to form a nail. So those are great. I'll give those a try. Maybe I'll actually try those out like on myself and get a little bit of practice in the next time I break a nail. Yeah, I think those are the ones that she's really liking now. Okay, and now we have, I think this is foil. Is it? Or is it the thing? I'm thinking that this is not transfer foil. What I think, is it or isn't it? No, I think it is. I don't know. Cheyenne, comment below. Is this transfer foil or is it like this stuff for doing the broken glass nails? Is it this stuff or is it transfer foils? I'm counting on you to comment below and let me know. Either way, I love foils, and the broken glass nails, I only have a few colors, and I actually find the ones that I have are pretty stiff. So if that's what this is a much thinner version. So there's like pink and orange in this one, and then there's like a green and purple. There's like a green one and like a purple one. I think that's what this is. I think this is the stuff to do the broken glass nails, which is really cool. I haven't done those in a long time. I should do that. I've got the little scissors. I'm all ready to go. I think that's what this is. There's a whole bunch of different colors here, which is so cool because I actually only have a couple. So there's all kinds of cool colors of those in there. This is gonna force me to get back into being creative. I go through like phases where I'm doing a lot of nail art, and then I go through phases where I'm not doing any nail art. So this is probably the kick in the pants that I need to get back into just doing more fun things, being a little bit more creative. Now this I know is foil. This looks like a rose gold, which I love. I'm pretty sure I bought her like the exact same, like the same exact color. This is a beautiful rose gold foil. I don't know if that's picking up on camera. Can you tell? It's got a nice like holographic shift to it. I actually bought this for her in her bag. That's amazing. I love that so much. That's hilarious. And I actually don't have this. I have like a flatter rose gold. Hold on. I have this one that's more, it's a little bit flatter, if that makes sense. It doesn't have that like holographic like shift to it. Love foil. I use a ton of foil in the salon. It's very popular with my clients. Super easy to do, really, really fast, and it's so impactful. Okay, and then I've got some more glitter. She knows me well. She knows I love glitter. So this is just like a really beautiful, I'm gonna spill it trying to show you. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the lid back on. So this is just a really beautiful silver. It is not focusing there. Similar to what I've got on my nail there. Just a beautiful silver shimmer, and it looks really nice and finely milled. Love that. You can't have too much silver glitter. You just can't. Everybody wants it all the time. What's this next thing? Now this next thing is Born Pretty. So I love the Born Pretty stuff. I order a lot of it online. So let's see what this is. Okay, I'm excited. This would be, I believe, some type of a chrome. It looks very different than what I have. I know that it's something like that because it came with one of these little applicators. Ooh. Can I show you without spilling it? It's got like pink, purple, lilac, blue. Stop focusing on my face, focus on the glitter. It looks so pretty. So this is either gonna be a chrome when you buff it in, or possibly like a holographic glitter that gets that real rainbow shift to it. I'll have to try it out and see which one it is because they both sort of come that way, but definitely a really unique color. I don't think I have anything like that in my collection right now. I don't know why I was just trying to put it back in the bag. Like, Jamie, you own it now, it's fine. And then last but not least, I saw this at the bottom and I was like, oh my gosh. She was like, I kind of had like one item I splurged on and the rest I sort of just picked out some like inexpensive options. Oh my gosh. You shouldn't have. So this is from the brand Ugly Duckling. That is her main acrylic brand that she uses. It is the most beautiful, tiny detailing brush. You can't even see it. It's so small. You can't even see it. Can you see how tiny that is? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so here's the thing. I watch all of the LiquidChromeNails videos. All of them. Even if it's like how to do acrylic nails and I don't do acrylic nails, I'm watching it anyway because I love her so much. But in particular, her nail art videos are just next level, next level. She puts us all to shame, and she has some of the most tiny detailing brushes, and I'm always messaging her, where did you get that? Where did you get that? I'm reaching for the brush that I use because she just has these beautiful tiny brushes, and this is what I use. It doesn't pick up how tiny, it's there. It's quite a bit bigger, and that's the smallest one I've ever had that I could get to work for me, and it's nowhere near small enough. You can't do like a tiny line with this, and I'm always like, what do you have for a brush? And she'll send me the link, and I'm like, oh, it's more money than I spend on nail art brushes. So she really treated me with that. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do so many fun things with this. I'm going to look after it. I'm going to keep the lid on it. I'm going to keep the cap on. I'm not going to let it get dog-eared or full of gel and just let it cure like that. Love that. And look at the handle. How fancy. What a fancy nail lady I am now with all my goodies. That was so fun. I hope this was as fun for you guys to watch as it was for me to do. Really, really excited to play with all this stuff. I'm really excited to see what she thinks of the things that I got for her in her little bag of goodies. So make sure you go over and visit her on her channel. Leave some kind messages below for her and for me. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!